Hello, we are very excited to showcase all the new improvements that we have made to signatures and actually collecting e-signatures in Booqable. So previously, you could only collect signatures in person within Booqable. You can now collect e-signatures online through a link as well, which is a great new addition that we are very excited to show you. So to do this, we obviously go to an order, create a new quote or contract. So let's create a new contract on this order, for example. And now you can see that the right-hand sidebar has been updated with some more options. So you have the Sign Now option and a similar option to add a signature in the bottom left. If we click this Sign Now button, we have this Sign and Confirm modal that shows up where you can either generate or draw a signature. So this is similar to what we had before, where you can have customers sign in person. We do have this I consent to sign and accept this agreement button now, which is also new. So that is a nice new addition. And same thing happens if you click the Add Signature button as well. Now, the exciting part is you can now request signatures online. So if we click the Request Signature button, this email template will show up, the Request Signature template, and you can send a link to a signing page so that your customers can sign digitally. So let's go and see what that looks like. So you can obviously send it by email, but you can also open it from here. You can even use the signing page to have a more secure way of customers signing in person as well, as long as you are able to use e-signatures. So let's click on Open Signing Page. And here it is, the brand new signing page. So you can see a PDF of the document that you would like to have signed. And if we scroll down, click Review and Sign, then we can click this Add Signature button, which brings up the same Sign and Confirm modal as well. So let's say if we have our customer sign this document, click I consent and accept, they can click the Sign and Confirm here. And then once this is done and it's created a PDF with the signature now, you can download it. It also shows the time and date of when it was signed in this little confirmation. And now you can see the signature appear on the document. They can also print this and download it themselves, which is very, very handy so they can have a copy of these documents that they have signed. And in the Booqable backend, you'll be able to see the logs of it being signed as well as confirmed. So if we go back to the order itself, we'll also see that this contract was confirmed. So that is all the new features when it comes to e-signatures. If you are interested in using this right now, then you can upgrade to the Grow and Scale plans where this new feature is included. I hope you enjoyed this and thank you very much for watching.